Welcome to the number system part number 3. We already discussed about part 1 and part 2. This is part number 3 and we are going to discuss about certain different items or certain different examples in part number 3. So what are the learning outcomes of these particular chapters? The learning outcomes or the learning objective that you will be able to understand the difference between up to and between. When two numbers are given and it is mentioned that up to this number, from this number up to this number, or between this number to this number, then how to differentiate the questions and how to find out the solutions with a given idea of the word up to and between. Number 2, we are going to discuss about the number divisible up to certain number by the divisor y. That is the second variety. We are going to discuss each variety with an example. Number divisible between x by the divisor y. Number up to x and y. So you will be given a series and then they will ask you how many numbers are there from this number to this number. So here the word up to is need to be considered. And here the same question, but the difference is between. How many numbers are between x and y? And find out the even and odd numbers in a given series. And the last one is we have to find out a series which is given it to you. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 100. And if they will ask you find out the even number even number average, then how to do that? And sometime they will ask you find out the total number of uneven numbers from 1 to 100 and find out its average. So these are the varieties that we are going to discuss in this chapter. Just keep an eye and listen to me very carefully. I am doing some of the example so that I can explain you the idea in a much better manner. Let's say the difference between up to and between. When the word up to is given in the example, so understand this word up to. Up to is given in the example, then you need to do -1 from the smaller number. For example, up to 200 to 500. Now out of this two number, this is a smaller number, and then what you need to do, you have to do -1 from it. So now you have to find out from 199 to 500. So this is first variety. Second is the word between is given. So here word between is given in an example. For example, between 200 to 500. Now in such type of example, what you need to do, you have to do -1 from the larger number. Now from 200 to 500, this is the larger number, and from 500 you have to do -1. You have to -1. So that is 499. So now you have to find out between the number from 200 to 499. So remember two important word. One is up to, means -1 from the smaller number, and between you have to -1 from the larger number. We will do some examples so you will understand in a much better manner. For example, how many numbers there up to 500 is divisible by 4? Now you see there is no small number, but there is only one number up to 500. So what you need to do, you have to divide 500 divided by 4. That is around 125 numbers which is divisible which is divisible by 4. Second example, up to the number 100. So here again there is no smaller number, only one number is given. So 100, which is divisible by 18. So the answer is going to come 5.5. Now when you have this kind of answer, you do not need to consider any number after the decimal. So you have to take only 5. So there are 5 numbers. Now if I want to know what are those 5 numbers. So let's say 18 into 1, 18 into 2, 18 into 3, 18 into 4, 18 into 5. So 18, which is below 100, 36, which is below 100, 54, which is below 100, 72, which is below 100, 90, which is below 100. So there are 5 numbers. Let's check the 6th number. 18 into 6, that is 108, which is more than 100. So we are not going to consider. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there are 5 numbers from 100, 5 number up to 100, which is divisible by 18. I hope that you will understand this. Next we are going to discuss from 200 to 500, how many numbers are divisible by 20. So here the question is, from 200 to 500, how many numbers are there? How many numbers are divisible by 20? So what is given? In such type of question, we drop the boundary number. So 200 to 500. Now remember, between word is not given. So what you need to do? You have to do minus 1 from this lower number. So 200 minus 100 to 500, that is 199 to 500, that is divisible by 20. So 500, which is divisible by 20. So when you do the division work, it is 9 and here it is 25. So 25 minus 9, you have to pick up this value because this is bigger and this is smaller. So 25 minus 9, so it is coming 16. It means there are how many numbers? There are 16 numbers from 200 to 500, which is divisible by 20. So understood? Let us take one more example so the matter will be very clear. Up to 500 to 700, how many numbers which are divisible by 30? So here it is clearly written up to, and when there is up to, what we need to do? We have to minus 1 from the smaller number. So 200 minus 1, because it is a smaller number, to 500, and it is divisible by 30. So this is divisible by 30 and this is also divisible by 30. Sorry, this is 500. So here let me put it is 500. So this is 500 and this is 700. So let's put 7 here. Now when you divide it by 30, it means 499 divided by 30 minus 700 divided by 30. So when you do a division work, it will be 16 here and it will be 23 here. So 23 minus 16, so total 7. So there are 7 numbers which is divisible from 500 to 700. So remember, this is the keyword, up to. Now the same question, but only thing that instead of up to, they have written between, and we know the rule of between. In between you have to consider the larger number, and then you have to do minus 1 from the larger number. So this is 500 and this is 700. Out of 500 and 700, 700 is the larger number, so minus 1 from here, and it is divisible by 30. So this is divisible by 30, this is divisible by 30, and when you do the division work, this will be 16 and this will be 23. So 23 minus 16, so 7. So there are 7 numbers which is divisible by 30 from between 500 to 700. Clear? Next example, between x and y, how many numbers are there? So here you have to add 1 in difference, and secondly between minus 1 from the difference. So please understand, between 200 to 500, how many numbers are there? So now they are asking how many numbers. So step number 1, find out the differences. Now here the differences is, look at the number 200 and 500. So difference is equal to larger number minus smaller number, it is 300, right? And when it is up to is written, then what you need to do, you have to do plus 1 or add 1. And if it is asking for between, then what you need to do, you have to do minus 1 from the difference, from the difference. So now number between 200 to 300, what is being asked? It is being asked number between. Between means you have to do minus 1 from the difference. So difference is 300 and this is minus 1, because it is between, therefore it is minus 1. So it is 299 numbers. Next, now instead of between, if they are asking up to, so what is the step number 1? Step number 1 is to find out the difference. So the difference will be 500 minus 200. So the difference is going to come 300, right? And then step 2, what is written, if it is up to or between. If it is up to, then we have to add 1 in difference. If it is between, we have to minus 1 in difference. Here what is given? Here it is given up to. So we have to add 1 into the difference. So 300 plus 1, that is 301. So there are 301 numbers to 200 to 500. Did you understand? So one more time. If it is up to, you have to add 1. If it is between, you have to minus 1. Add 1 where? In difference. Minus 1 where? In difference. Now let us take another example. How to find out the even and uneven number from x to y. For example, from 1 to 50, total how many uneven numbers are there? So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, dot, dot, dot. It goes up to 50. Right? Now, what are the even number? 1 is the uneven number, 3 is the uneven number, 5 is the uneven number, 7 is the uneven number. So, the first uneven number is equal to 1, and the last uneven number in a series is 49. And then you have to find out the difference. Let's see, 1 and 1, 3, 1, 3. So here the difference is equal to 1. So now what you need to do, you have to apply this formula. And here n means the total number in the series. So here it is n. What is the last number? Last number is 49. What is the first number? First number is 1. What is the difference? Difference is 1. So n is equal to plus 1. So now what is going to come? It is 48. One 3. So the difference is going to be 135. So difference is going to be 2. So divided by the difference. So it is 42 divided by 2 plus 1. So it is 24 plus 1. So it is 25. So what is 25? 25 will be the uneven number from the series 1 to 50. Uneven number. Next question. From 200 to 300, how many uneven numbers are there? So now we know the first number. So this is 200, 201, 202, 203, dot, 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 dot. It goes up to 500. What they are asking? Uneven number. So what is the first uneven number? First uneven number is 201. What is the last uneven number? The last uneven number will be 499. And what is the difference? See, this is 1 and this is 3. So 3 minus 1, it is 2. So difference is equal to 2. Now n is equal to last number minus first number divided by 2, right, plus 1. So n is equal to, what is the last number? It is 499 minus what is the first number? It is 201 divided by 2 plus 1. So n is equal to 298 divided by 2 plus 1. So n is equal to 149 plus 1. So n is equal to 150. It means there are 150 uneven number from 200 to 300. Did you understand? sorry, here it is 200 to 500 because we have taken 500 here. Next you have to find out, next you need to find out the rules. You have to find out the rules to get the average of even and uneven number from x to y. So let us start the example. The example says that from 200 to 700, what is the average of all uneven number? What is the number which is uneven? So what you need to do, how we are going to find out the average? So here the average is equal to first term minus last term divided by 2. So what will be the first term? 200 is even number, but 201 is the first uneven number. So first uneven number is 201. And what is the last uneven number? It is 699. So 699 divided by 2. So that is 900 divided by 2. So that comes to 450. That is the average.